is my patient today, Orion. And Orion loves to get Acutonics treatments. So you're probably wondering, what is Acutonics? Acutonics is a tuning fork system that works on Taoist cosmology or Taoist thinking, as above, so below. And it's a whole healing system working with tuning forks. For example, these are 2 mid-ohm frequencies. And it's similar to a C frequency in the chromatic scale, but it's a little different. Ohm is 136.10 hertz. So we'll also be working with new moon, zodiac third, and Mars and Venus. So we also have a book called Acutonics for Dogs and Cats that I highly recommend if you're going to be working on your animal companion. And so the system, back to the system is about working on the acupuncture meridians. It's like needleless acupuncture. So when we apply the tuning fork after it's struck to the acupuncture point, sound travels through that meridian and opens and heals what it needs to. And so being that our sacred temple vessel, our body vessel, is made up of 70 to 80% water, and bone and marrow carry 25% water in them, the body is the perfect sound resonator for these tuning forks. And so sound travels 4 to 5 times faster through water to open up the whole vessel. So I'm going to start using 2 tuning forks on myself to ground myself, and at the same time what I'm going to do is send the energy to my patient Orion, and we're going to ground him as well. And by the way, people do ask, he is a breed called Coton, which is French for cotton, and you can Google Cotons of America. The official breed name is Coton du Tuileries. Okay, so we're going to get started. So I'm on a point 2 inches below the navel, which is called Ren 6, Sea of Qi. And this point is basically our 0 point. We use it in Qigong for balance. Pilates uses this point as well, and we use it. So I'm going to strike 3 times, as that is the number, is the balance in the Tao, in Chinese medicine as well, is the number 3. So, sometimes when you're starting to work with animals, the appropriate way, if the animal has never received sound before, you never put the tuning fork by their ear, you can put it in their field, for obvious reasons. Okay? And another way to treat our animal companions is, again, if they've never received it before, you could put the hand over and then put the tuning fork on your hand as well. It's a great way to start so they could feel more comfortable and safe. Good boy. That's a very good boy. So what I'm going to be doing is still point. So it's like cranial sacral work, but with tuning forks. And the points I'm going to be using is do 2 and do 16. So do 2 is going to be right here, and do 16 is going to be right here on him. Okay? So that's where we're going to start. Okay, you ready? I'm going to get a tuning fork So now I'm going to be using New Moon Fifth, and this open and releases. Do 2 is our grounding point. Do 16 is our opening point. That's a very good boy. Yeah, very good boy. See how calm he is? How he's so used to the sound. And this doesn't take a long time for them to get used to it. You want more? You want that one, the purple? This is called Zodiac Third. Dogs and horses and animals love this. This is sedating and meditative, relaxing and calming. So you might be wondering, is there anything specifically we're treating? We're just relaxing everything along the spine at this point, and we're just bringing the energy back into balance. And you can see he's taking a yawn. He's starting to relax a little. Good boy. Very good boy. Yeah. Yeah, you like that? Huh? Does that feel good? Yeah, that's a very good boy. That's good boy. You want some more? Yeah, you want more? Okay, so now I'm going to work on his knees and right around the patella because he does have a little problem with his knees. So we're just going to use 1 fork first and see what happens. Maybe not. No? There we go. So they'll let you know what they want and what they don't want. And he wants just 1 fork. So it's okay to use just to apply that 1 fork for sedation. Good boy. Working right around the knee. Yeah, that's a good boy. That's a very good boy. You want some more? Yeah. Down here. Okay. He wants some on his belly. So now since he's in perfect position, I'm going to take this opportunity to give him a Renmai treatment with lung 7, which is right here, and kidney 6, which is right around his patella and then about 1 inch in, or ½ inch in. Okay, so here we go. Good boy. Oh, that's too much, huh? Okay. Well, so now he's telling me he just wants still point. So we're going to go back to still point because he really likes that. We'll do a little work down the shoulder area as well. That's a very good boy. Very good boy. Good boy, Ryan. Well, Well, folks, actually, I think our patient is complete. Again, if you ever had acupuncture or done acupuncture for your animal companion, if you're a holistic vet and have worked with that, you know what I'm talking about. So we're going to ground at this point. And once again, I'm going to be the proxy grounding point for him. And I'll show you here, if you'd like to take a quick picture. This is the Renmai conception vessel. These are the therapeutic applications. And again, this is the book, Acutonics for Dogs and Cats, Sound Healing for Animal Health. So, also I just want to say, if you'd like further information, you can contact me, David Weiss. I'm a senior faculty staff member for the Acutonics Institute of Integrative Medicine. I've been teaching the system since 2002. And if you have any questions about my classes, events, or are here locally in Asheville, or wherever, please send me an email or a question on YouTube or Facebook, and I'll be happy to answer and point you in the right direction. And so my website is david.com, and you can see on the information below. And also, please subscribe for more future videos. We will be doing a series of Acutonics videos. Until then, many blessings.